you learned the concept of accompaniment 1-5-1 over 5-finger pattern and also Clair de Lune. Time to practice in different keys. For this week, I want you to learn G major and also review C major. 5-finger pattern. Right hand plays 5-finger pattern and the left hand plays 1-5-1. Continue to C major. That was 5-finger pattern, and this side of the page says transpose Clair de Lune into key of G major. So it has the exact same shape with C major, 1-5-1, and right hand plays the melody. And also make sure to practice in key of C this week too.